Well, good morning, everybody. I know it's been a while since I've posted anything, but it's been because I've been building this miserable clock. It's not a miserable clock. It's a neat clock. So that is my phone number to call or to text and or our email. So I'll let you get close and look at that. Thank you, Debbie. So what we have here is right there. It's a Weston model 785 industrial circuit tester with a Nixie clock in it. But that's not all. You have the instructions in case you ever want to try to rebuild it into a circuit tester. But that's not all either. Down here, this switch turns on all the RGBs. There are 8, 2 there, 2 there, 2 there, 2 there, and then there's 1 underneath that, and in that is a vacuum tube with the color of the RGB going up into it. But that's not all. We also have a variable speed Dekatron where it says ohm meter adjustment. That's really your Dekatron adjustment. So now what's so special about this is I'm not going to post this on eBay, Etsy, anywhere. I know that some of you have wanted one of these with a Dekatron, and I'm not going to turn this loose to the ungrateful public, but I'm only making it available to subscribers or people who come and look at this on eBay, on YouTube. That's who this will be available for. Now, these have sold up to $480, $450. We got a super good deal on the box, and it's not perfect. Now, this is what I want to show you, just in full disclosure. Right there, it's got a bad spot. If you can see it, it's hard to say it's a bad spot next to a picture of my wife, but there is a bad spot on it that is not perfect. I mean, the rest of it is just great, but put that up, please. Thank you. That little mark is enough for me to call it not perfect. So I'm going to sell this, not including shipping, for $350. So you know that a Dekatron is $100. So where else can you buy something like this for $250 plus a Dekatron? So I hope one of you out there who's wanted one of these, I'm going to run it for a week like this, and after that the price goes up. It goes on eBay, and it will no longer be specifically available to my loyal customers on eBay, on YouTube. We put the original hardware on it this morning, and it's quite a job. It's like, here, all the corners have these. Some of them are black, some of them are chrome. There's 2 down there, plus it's got a latch. When we ship it, we simply close the box and latch it, and I won't say I dare the United Postal Service to break it, but they'd have to work at it because it's a piece of 3/8, almost half-inch solid oak, solid walnut or oak. It might be oak. It looks like oak. So you can have confidence in its shipping. So anyway, this is your LDR right here. So as you can see, when I put my finger over it, the meter goes down. There's the LDR. And when I take it off, it goes back up. So that's the control for that. This is the control for that.
And don't push this.
And this is the control button. Don't press it unless you mean to. Also, keep it away from small children and animals. Because we actually had somebody that had a 4-year-old girl that lived in the house, and by the time she was done with the clock, they didn't know what planet it was on. So it does happen.
And the button was in the back.
And the button was in the back, and it wasn't out front red like this. I guess I should have put a different color on it. Anyway, thank you for your time, and I hope you like it enough to buy it. I really would like to thank you as members of my YouTube group for your support and your kindness. So you've made some very, very nice comments. It really makes it easier to go on when you have people who support you like you guys do. So thank you much, and I hope to hear from you, and you have a good day.